Imagine this, you're earning between $3,000 to $8,000 per month. It's not a dream, but a potential reality. And the key? High-income skills. Welcome to a world where your financial future is in your own hands. I'm Michael Cheney, here to guide you on this journey. High-income skills are the foundation of financial success. They are skills that command a high rate in the marketplace because of their high demand and low supply. Today we delve into 3 such skills that can potentially earn you between $3,000 to $8,000 per month. Firstly, we have sales skills. The art of persuasion, communication, and negotiation is at the heart of every business transaction. Whether you're selling a product, a service, or an idea, mastering sales skills can exponentially increase your income. To acquire these skills, immerse yourself in books, online courses, and real-world experiences. Practice makes perfect, and the world of sales is no exception. Next up, digital marketing. In an increasingly digital world, the ability to effectively market products and services online is invaluable. Understanding SEO, content marketing, email marketing, and social media strategies can put you ahead of the pack. To learn digital marketing, start by following industry leaders, enroll in online courses, and apply what you learn on your own projects. Lastly, coding. In a world dominated by technology, coding is the language of the future. Whether it's for web development, app creation, or software engineering, coding skills are in high demand and command high pay. There are numerous online platforms that offer coding courses from beginner to advanced levels. Commit to learning and practicing, and you'll see progress in no time. These 3 high-income skills, sales, digital marketing, and coding, are your keys to a future of financial freedom. But acquiring these skills is just the beginning. Applying them effectively and strategically is where the real magic happens. Now you might be wondering, how do I start applying these skills strategically? I have the perfect answer for you. I urge you to click on the link in the description to get your free ebook. This book is a treasure trove of strategies and insights to help you navigate the world of high-income skills. Remember, the future of your income is in your hands. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards are worth it. Start learning these high-income skills today and unlock your potential for financial freedom. Click on the link in the description, get your free ebook, and let's begin this exciting journey together. Your future self will thank you.